And it goes a little something like
All summer and after fall, I'll keep you all summer.
Good day everyone, I'm Cesar Jan Esfilianes, here with Jamaica Itangan, and for today's video, we're going to tackle about climate and weather.
First, let's talk about weather. Weather is a condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. Temporary behavior of atmosphere is small geographic area and it can change rapidly. Ang weather ay kondisyon ng atmosphere sa isang lugar sa maikling panahon. Tinawag na temporary kasi pwedeng magbago sa loob ng ilang minuto lang. Minsan na mainit, tapos biglang didilim ang langit at uulan.
Ang climate naman ay ang overall weather conditions on a particular place throughout the year. It is a long-term weather condition or phenomena at a certain place, very slow to change. Ang weather ay pwedeng magbago anytime of the day. Ang climate naman ay taon ang bibilangin bago magkakaroon ng pagbabago. Ito ay ang kabuuang kondisyon ng atmosphere sa loob ng isang taon at para mas maintindihan, maaaring isiping ang weather is what you get like a rainy afternoon. It's how the atmosphere behaving now or in the short term of minutes to time. While climate is what you expect like a very hot summer in April, based on average of weather of time and space.
Ano naman ang tawag sa taong nag-aaral ng weather? They are called meteorologists, and the study of weather is meteorology. While the study of climate is called climatology, and someone who study climate is called climatologist.
There are three ways on how we can describe a weather. The first one is fine weather, which is characterized by few clouds, bright, sunny day, and clear night, and no rain. Fair weather characterized by the presence of different amounts of clouds, bright and sunny periods, and rain of short duration in some areas. And stormy weather is characterized by the presence of dark clouds, strong winds, and rain in most areas.
How do weather and climate affect us? It affects the job of people. Halimbawa na lang ang pag-travel mula sa bahay papuntang office. Pag may malakas na ulan, madalas may baha, and this results to traffic. Para naman sa mga walang sariling sasakyan, mahirap ang pag-commute pag may malakas na ulan. Mahirap ang sumakay. Para naman sa magsasaka, malaki ang epekto ng weather at climate sa kung kailan sila dapat magtatanim at aani.
It can also affect the kind of food we eat. Kahit sa pagkain ay malaki ang epekto ng weather and climate sa atin. Halimbawa na lang tuwing summer ay napapadalas ang pagkain natin ng malalamig katulad ng ice cream, halo-halo at ice candy. Kapag naman malamig ang panahon ay mas masarap kumain ng mainit na sabaw. It can also cause health problems kapag ang panahon ay biglang nagbago. From being sunny tapos biglang uulan, maaaring magdulot ng pananakit ng ulo o minsan lagnat. Or kapag naman tag-ulan, madalas nagkakaroon ng ubo or sipon. It can also change our mood, hindi lang ang kalusugan ng tao ang naaapektuhan ng weather and climate. Pati din ang mood natin kapag maganda ang panahon ay madalas maganda rin ang pakiramdam. Minsan naman kapag maulan nakakatamad. Merong ibang tao na ayaw sa ulan kasi nakakalungkot. There are 6 actions on preventing climate change. The first one is reduce emission, na ang ibig sabihin ay kung maaari ay wag nang gumamit ng sasakyan kung malapit lang din naman ang iyong pupuntahan. Dahil malaki ang epekto ng pag-burn ng fuel and oils ng sasakyan sa climate change, kaya mas mainam na lang na lakarin or gumamit ng bisikleta upang sa ganon mabawasan natin ang mga nasusunog na oil and fuels araw-araw. The second one is save energy, na ang ibig sabihin ay kung maaari ay wag nang gumamit ng mga appliances kung hindi naman pinakakailangan. Tulad ng paggamit ng electric fan or aircon kahit malamig na nga ang panahon. Marami pa rin ang gumagamit ng electric fan at aircon dahil kayang-kaya naman nila bayaran ang kanilang electric bill. Ang sa akin lang naman ay maawa naman tayo sa ating mundo dahil patuloy ang pag-usbong ng climate change kaya't na kung maaari ay magtipid tayo ng kuryente. The third one is implement the 3 sustainability R's in our life. So ano nga ba ang 3 R's? 3 R's stands for reduce, reuse, and recycle. Kapag na-i-apply natin ang 3 R's sa ating araw-araw na pamumuhay, tiyak na makakatulong ito upang mabawasan ang ating basura sa ating kapaligiran.
Low-carbon diets generally emphasize nutrient-dense plant-based foods, including legumes, whole grains, vegetables, fruits, and nuts, and minimize food derived from animals, especially red and processed meat. Again, the goal is to make food choices that minimize GHG emissions. Conserve trees and forests in your area. Forests and trees, especially big trees and mature forests, have many benefits. They provide habitat for a multitude of species, store carbon, maintain water quality, stabilize the climate, and provide places for people to recreate and connect with nature. Encourage your local government to conserve forests, create parks, and oppose destructive suburban sprawl and other developments. Volunteer with the local land trust or park and recreation department, or consider a conservation easement if you own forested land. As sustainability has gained attention in the last few decades, organizations are placing more emphasis on how to measure sustainability. One method for measuring the sustainability of highways is to assess a program or project against existing best practices. The sustainability best practices include within invest go beyond the basic requirements. Using sustainability as a metric generally means an expansion of the traditional business reporting framework to take into account social and environmental performance in addition to economic performance, the triple bottom line. These 3 key principles should be measured, but they do not of themselves provide a measurement system. Therefore, many organizations are developing organization-specific or industry-specific measurement tools and best practices to help them achieve the appropriate balance across social, environmental, and economic principles.
Again, when we say weather, it is the state of the atmosphere at some places and time, usually expressed in terms of temperature, air pressure, humidity, wind speed and direction, precipitation, and cloudiness. And when we say climate, it is the average mean of the weather elements such as temperature and precipitation over a specified period of time. 30 years according to the World Meteorological Organization.